navigation, and click-through. In this video, we're going to drill down into some detail about creating navigation and click flow for mobile apps. We will call on the standards and design advice of leading platform providers such as Apple, and also on other leading voices in the mobile design field. First, what is navigation and what are we trying to do with it? Well, navigation is the process users undertake to find information or make use of your mobile application. Click-through, which is a related concept, is the process of actually interacting with your application from the time they start it up to the satisfaction of their felt information need, whatever that might be. Navigation design, then, is the words, images, and symbols you deploy to guide users to a positive experience with your app. It is the visual manifestation of your information design. Designing for mobile applications presents a unique set of opportunities and challenges for which various providers have published guidelines. Apple Computer, for example, has created a set of paradigms or underlying principles for creating navigation designs for its iPhone and iPad products. Apple applies these for iPhone and iPad, of course, but note that they could apply to any mobile platform. In Apple's design paradigm, users can dig deep into information hierarchies, but then return to the top level easily. They can be deep into content, yet still get back to the main category, start, or home with ease. Users can switch between functionalities without losing their place in the first one. This is for multi-featured applications where users can switch between one feature and another without losing their place in the first. The app readily displays a list of information or choices at any given point in the flow. That's a great start. Designer Ryan Unger adds principles for navigation design, which include: mobile users love to break rules, so go ahead and provide ways around your structured path. Help users create their own shortcuts. Unger's design principles also include the 3-minute rule. What the user was doing 3 minutes ago and what they do for the next 3 minutes drives the quality of their experience with your app. In other words, you have a very short window of time, 3 minutes before and the 3 minutes that they're using your app, to drive the quality of their experience on your application. Help the user be successful, achieve what they intended, as quickly as possible. Think about the video game designer's rule, which is to make the player successful within the first 30 seconds of starting the game, and see if you can apply that to your application. Create multiple entry points. Especially for the mobile web, users may enter your app at any point, and increasingly they will. The me test. Ask yourself, would I like this? Usability expert Jacob Nielsen provides the following guidelines for mobile apps and the mobile web. Design for screen size. Although it might sound obvious, it's often forgotten in mobile design. Minimize text size, within the parameters of your user's vision, obviously. Minimize graphics wherever possible, especially for graphics being served over the mobile web. Make the navigation structure easily found by leaving signs or breadcrumbs so users can easily and intuitively know where to go. Make sure menus are consistent across the app. That is, make sure they're formatted consistently across the app. Make sure menus are placed consistently across the app, such as in the menu bar on top. Make it easy for users to get home. One simple way to do this is to make sure you provide a home or a start button or icon on every app view. Err on the side of the conventional. If we go back to the 3-minute test, it's easy to imagine mobile users making very short, very concise information transactions. They're in a hurry. The less time they have to spend figuring out a new navigation schema, the better. For now, at least, in the mobile world, it's okay that everything looks very similar. Unpredictable navigation schemes slow users and cause frustration. Make it easy to drill down. By using parent and child navigation styles. Parent and child is another way of describing your hierarchies. First value is the parent, next is the child, and so forth. Highlight links to more information with information about the link. That is, make the link text or image descriptive if possible. Know the device and platform capabilities. This is really important. Taking advantage of device capabilities can make a great experience, but too much can overwhelm the user and at best leave them lost and leave your extra functions unused. Make touch target link words large. Create scannability. Make it possible for the user to quickly scan the application screen. One way to do this is to use multicolored text or contrast colored text for headlines. Another is to shape repeating objects such as news headlines and summaries, blocks of text, consistently. If you're using navigation bar icons, leave space between them on the navigation bar. If you're using drop-down menus, label the menus clearly. Finally, some ideas for testing your mobile navigation strategy. Test on multiple devices. Test on multiple screen sizes. Test on multiple browsers for applications that will access the mobile web. And if possible, test with multiple users. This has been a quick overview of creating navigation and click-through for mobile applications. Each of the resources cited is linked within the course.